Here's a big mistake that a lot of people make on their resume. People often feel like they have to treat their resume like an entire book, and they have to put every single job they've ever had and all the responsibilities that they did, where this isn't always the case. Instead of treating your resume like a book, treat it more like the Cliff Notes. So if you're trying to get a role as a social media coordinator and your last role was an administrative assistant and you did social media 30% of the time, on your resume, focus 100% of the responsibilities on all the social media things that you did. That way, applying for that role, they see, oh, this person has done a lot of social media stuff, when really you were an admin assistant. But instead of focusing on all the administrative work that you did that doesn't necessarily apply to the role, you're instead focusing it on the things that do apply. Follow along for more career tips.